You must discover the magic of making your home smell like lemon cream pie. This uplifting diffuser blend with just a few drops of essential oils will brighten your day and create the coziest vibe. It's as easy as pie. Hi, I'm Terry from Simply Earth, and today we're making a delightful lemon cream pie diffuser blend. It will transform your space into a sweet, citrusy haven. With just a few simple ingredients, this blend smells amazing, uplifts your mood, and brings a sense of cozy joy to your home. Before we jump into this recipe, can we just say DIY is kind of our thing here at Simply Earth. We're all about making it super easy and fun to create natural products at home. That's why we've created Simply Earth Recipe Box. Subscribe and we'll deliver the key ingredients for this recipe straight to your door. Oh, and did we mention the free big bonus box you'll get when you subscribe? Want to grab everything you need for this recipe instead? Well then head over to simplyearth.com and let's get crafting. Store-bought diffuser blends often contain harsh chemicals like synthetic fragrances, that can trigger headaches or allergies. But don't you worry. With this DIY recipe, you can ditch the toxins and feel great about the fresh, natural vibes you bring into your home. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. Let's make this lemon cream pie diffuser blend together. From your box, you'll need 2 drops of clear skin essential oil. This blend detoxifies the air. 2 drops Simply Us blend. This blend supports respiration. And 6 drops lemon. This is uplifting and one of our favorites. And of course, you need a 5 ml amber glass bottle. Step 1, add the essential oils to the diffuser according to the diffuser's instructions and diffuse in an open space. Step 2, to make a master blend of this recipe, take a 5 ml amber glass bottle from your big bonus box and add 20 drops of clear skin, 20 drops of Simply Us, and 60 drops of lemon. Swirl the mix. Don't forget to label. Yum! This smells like pure sunshine in a bottle, fresh and uplifting. You can make this too. Make this recipe, take a picture, and share your masterpiece with hashtag #IMadeThis. Don't forget to tag From Simply Earth for a chance to win a $5 gift card and get featured on our social pages. Let's see what you've got. Love natural DIY products? Subscribe to the Simply Earth Recipe Box and make creating them a breeze. If you enjoyed this video, stick around. More awesome natural DIY recipes are popping up on your screen next. Don't you miss out! Thank you for watching!